Welcome back to Expedition Jack. Today I'm presented with the task of refurbishing my gear lever in my 1974 Mgb GT. As you can see, these rubber gaiters are quite prone to cracking over the years. So I'm going to replace that with a new one, polish up the chrome retainer and touch up the paint. I've already installed a brand new wooden knob, so don't worry ladies. Using your trusty Swiss Army knife, you can do this as fast as me. Now we've got that all off, we need to prepare the surfaces and clean them up with my homemade 70% alcohol. Do not drink this. That includes acetone and white spirit. Acetone, for some reason, will make you blind over time. On a lighter note, I swear this is the only time a man is happy to clean. So I'm using these really cheap paint markers that I got off Amazon. I think you can find them cheaper on eBay. They come under all flags and banners. Different companies sell the same exact one, and they're actually oil-based paint markers, which means that they won't easily get washed off. However, you have the option to remove them in the future if you use alcohol, as alcohol removes oil-based paint, so no worries. And lads, don't forget to paint your nuts. Then grab yourself some 0000 steel wool to polish up that chrome retainer. I didn't quite think this through when I did it in the car. Make sure you do this in a well-ventilated area, mainly outside. On return, let's see the results. And this is literally just from steel wool. Then if you want to go one step further, which you don't need to, I just polished it up because I had some wax and polish lying around. And it did bring it up really shiny, gleaming. I could definitely signal for S.O.S on that. Then to put everything back together, do everything in reverse. Making sure in the Mgb GT that the short screw is at 12 o'clock of the gearbox, or else it will come up short in the other holes. And voila, there we go, one gear lever fully refurbished. If you really want to top it off, I actually did a little experiment using black boot polish just to polish up that black rubber. Let me know down in the comments what tips and tricks you've done to your car. And as always, thanks for watching, stay tuned to join the expedition.